Plug in your earphones, find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. Get comfortable and close your eyes. Place your hands over your heart and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Every time you breathe, you are fully connected to your mind, body, and spirit. Now relax your hands and enjoy sinking deeply into the surface beneath you. I want you to imagine that you're sitting on a tropical beach and the sun is setting. The water is warm as it begins to lap at your toes. It gently flows up past your ankles and your calves, and you begin to relax a little deeper. As the water recedes, you let out a little sigh as you feel the waves taking away unwanted stress. The water then comes back in past your toes, your calves, your thighs, and your lower back. You feel completely safe as the warm sea water gently envelops you. And as it recedes, you let out a deep sigh and you lie down. This time when the water comes up past your feet, your ankles, your legs, your lower back, your upper back, your tummy and chest. And as the wave recedes, it draws out all the negative tensions you've been carrying in your body. The warm, gentle wave comes back again over your legs, over your torso, over your fingers and your arms, and you surrender and allow the water to wash up over your shoulders, your neck and the back of your head. And you feel even more relaxed. And this time as the waves pull back, you feel free and light and expansive. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. After a short while, something catches your eye and you look out over the horizon. You notice a beautiful radiant beam of golden light shining right down into the sea and slowly moving its way towards you. It stops 2 feet away from you, and the light intensifies across the ripples of water. You reach out your hand to find what's making the shimmering bright reflection. And to your delight, you pull out a huge polished shell the size of a dinner plate. You hold it in your hands and marvel at its mirror-like quality. And as you stare into it, you see a future version of yourself, one where you're living your dream life. And as you look at this version of you, you begin smiling, because this future you is happy, joyful, peaceful, and fulfilled, and has so many of the things you are currently wishing and hoping for. As you look at your future self, what are you noticing? What are you doing? What can you see, smell, hear, taste, and or touch? Feel how happy the future you is. And slowly you notice the shell expanding, and as it does, you are drawn deeper and deeper into the scene. And you notice and feel yourself becoming one with your future self. Feel your thoughts and emotions shift as you relax and align with your future self. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Repeat the following sentences either out loud or quietly in your head. I release all resistance. It is safe for me to dream big. I release all resistance. It is safe for me to dream big. I release all resistance. It is safe for me to dream big. I am fully supported. I am fully supported. I am fully supported. I am hemmed in and protected by everlasting love. I am hemmed in and protected by everlasting love. I am hemmed in and protected by everlasting love. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. I am free to choose how I feel. I am free to choose how I feel. I am free to choose how I feel. I choose to feel massive hope. I choose to feel massive hope. I choose to feel massive hope. I am confident about my future. I am confident about my future. I am confident about my future. I believe I can create the life my heart desires. I believe I can create the life my heart desires. I believe I can create the life my heart desires. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. I am brave. I choose to move forward knowing I am highly favored. I am brave. I choose to move forward knowing I am highly favored. I am brave. I choose to move forward knowing I am highly favored. I am all in. I step into my destiny. I am all in and I step into my destiny. I'm all in and I step into my destiny. Miracles and blessings are an everyday part of my life. Miracles and blessings are an everyday part of my life. Miracles and blessings are an everyday part of my life. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. You allow these feelings and thoughts to seep into every cell in your body. As the golden light subsides, you find yourself drawn back into this reality, back into this present time. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Place your hands over your heart and feel the hope. Sense the expectation that what your heart desires is yours. Feel a sense of thankfulness building within you. Thankfulness for all the good things you know you have both now and in your future. And with this thankful feeling in your heart, slowly move your fingers and toes. Stretch out your arms and legs and become aware of the noises around you. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. And you can use this visualization as often as you need. And please share it with anyone you think would benefit. Sending you lots of love and a big hug.